Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the shortcut menu on this watch, basically the widget menu. First, let me show you how to open the shortcut menu. To do it, let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the home screen, and on the home screen you can swipe right on the screen to open the shortcut menu. And here we have the list of shortcuts, or I would call them widgets basically, and we can customize this menu. To do it, scroll all the way down, tap on the settings icon, and here we can do a couple of things. We can add a shortcut, we can remove the shortcut and change the order on the list. So to add a new shortcut, tap on the plus button, scroll through the list, find the shortcut you want to add, and then tap on the plus button next to it. Then you can basically move it up and down through the list. Then once you're done, you can basically tap on the check mark to confirm and place it on the list, and it should be right here. So that's how you add the shortcut. To remove the shortcut, tap on one you want to remove, tap on the bin icon to remove it. And to change the order on the list, select the shortcut you want to move, and then swipe up and down on the screen. Move it to the position you want it to be in, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. Like this. And once you're done, you can press the upper button or swipe right on the screen to go back. Okay, and that's how you customize the shortcut menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.